Hi guys, if your Hitachi TV remote is lost or if it is not working, you can still control it using a universal remote. So in this guide, you are going to learn the exact setup method based on your TV type. So first of all, on a Hitachi TV, you need to check if it is a Roku TV or a regular LED TV. Roku TVs respond better to the newer 5-digit codes. The older models use classic 3 to 4-digit codes. So this step is going to save you time and it will also avoid trying the wrong code range. So over here, you need to use the direct code entry. So instead of just random search, you can enter the codes that I'm about to show you in this video based on your remote type. So for the older remotes in which you need to add the 3 or 4-digit codes, you can try these codes list. Like we have the first code is 0145, then we have 0151. You can try 0054 or 0016. For the newer remotes with the 5 digits, you can try these codes like 10145. Then we have 11904. Afterwards, you can try 11345. So after entering the code, the LED should turn off and this is going to confirm the acceptance. Now, after doing this, do not just test the power. You need to first of all check the volume plus input source buttons. Hitachi TVs often accept the partial codes where the power works but other controls don't. Now you can try these easy thing and see if it is now working properly. Thank you.